Hello, this is Python Pyro. Today, I'll demonstrate how to create a Telegram bot from scratch using Python and the Iogram library. But before we get started, subscribe to the channel and give a like to this video. Thanks. To begin, let's find BotFather. Using the start command, launch BotFather, and with the new bot command, create our new bot. Enter its name, which will be displayed in search, and provide a unique username. It must end with bot. The first username choice was taken, so I selected another. I obtained the bot token, which we'll use for connection. Now, open the command line and use the pip install command to install Iogram. Now, let's start writing the bot code. From the Iogram library, import the bot, dispatcher, and types. Import the Asensio module. Initialize the bot by passing the previously obtained token as a string and initialize the dispatcher. It is needed to receive and process updates, essentially a loop that sends requests to the Telegram server and checks for any changes, new messages, channel posts, emoji reactions, etc. Create the main bot function main, where we run the dispatcher's polling and print bot start. Using the ifName=main construct, add a try except block inside to start our bot and handle bot shutdown. Print bot stopped upon shutdown. Create a handler using the DP message decorator and write an asynchronous onMessage function that responds to messages with the text, "Hello, I'm bot." Verify that everything is working. Now, import the command filter for handling commands. Write the handling for the start command by passing the filter to the decorator. This ensures the bot responds only to the specified command. Check how it works. Add another handler which triggers when receiving text messages. Import F from Iogram. F are special magic filters in Iogram. Name the function onMessage for text messages and rename the first function to onStart. Respond to messages with plain text. Test the bot. It should respond to the start command and regular text messages. Everything is ready. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.